Hello viewers, welcome to CodeForAny e-commerce Flutter apps inside. Today need to see this here the home screen third variants need to designs need to make here. Look like this here the grids you need to develop here, targets library you need to use this here the Flutter targets grid view we need to use here. We need to first of all the open this here the pub space and we need to use this here the version 0.70. Need to use this here. Now need to go inside here the installation tabs. You need to go here and targets need to download here. These ones need to copy and we need to go inside here the our pub space and we need to paste this here like here. So need to set here and apply here. Now this is our the done here and then after we need to create here the home screen folders inside the home folders and we need to create here the new files and we need to give this here the name home 3 screen dot dots like this write down here and we need to create here the stateful widgets home 3 screen and we need to create here the scaffold and like this sets here. Now need to set here the body declares like this here and we need to how to integrate this here this grid. So need to check here any codes available examples inside. We need to this is the grid axis count, maybe this one is the count, not like this code types. Need this like this code, apply here these patterns, need to copy this grid view, copy here, paste here and we need to import this here grid view, declares here the style of indexed, remove this here comma and we need to declare here container. Maybe we need to change here these orders. We need to change here. So we need to remove here the space. Now need to stay here for this space. Need to container. First of all, so need to declare this here the decorations for the UI. Need to need here the decorations. Set here the color. The color primary colors now temporary need to use here for the seeing here the patterns. Need to use here. So need to change these patterns first of all. So now save here and we need to replace this here main tabs inside this screen. So need to replace with here the home 2 screen to replace with here 3 and apply these here, save here and show like this here the UI we need to show here. Now need to modify here. First of all need to check here the screens and how to change this here. So need to cross axis, this is grid count. We need to 1 2 3 4. We need to needs only here the true grids for the as per our designs. Look like this design true grids designs, that's why I need to convert into the true grids. So need to cross axis, need to set here the two, look like this sets here and show like this here. Now need to remove here the inverts, need to use this here the same patterns need to use repeatedly, same patterns need to follow here. So need to look like this here the repeated same. Now need to grid textures inside, need to change this here. Now need to x-axis we need to need 2 and y-axis need to needs once like this. We need to configurations and similar to designs we need to making like this here the UI are the done here. Then after so need to configure here the more things. We need to integrate here, we need to configure as a, we need to removing here the space. We need to cross space, need to set here the 0, remove here this cross space, need to between here this and then after the main axis space also need to 0, need to set here and make sure so need to check this here the random colors need to indexed, set here the mode to equal to 0 means need to set here the any different colors. Need to secondary colors also need to implement here colors dot secondary is like here's and changing here's for these orders, maybe set here 1, set here third. Like this change here's. Here not matters here the color patterns need to already see here the given this here the space, set here like here 1 and show it clearly grids. Here not matters here the colors, but we need to integrate it here, and we need to set it this all things. So we need to configure. Now we need to draw here the cells. Our cells we need to needs here. Now this is the decorations. Configurations are the setted here. Need to containers. First of all, we need to make like this UI. We need to setting here the data list, and we need to set here the list array. Create like this brackets, semicolons. Now we need to set here the temporary. Need here the name for titles. Then after image, then after we need to set here the name color. Is image. Just set here the flag for the image. We need to set here the two if available. Then set like we need to configure here, and then after colors we need to set here the is primary or white. Like this we need to configure is colors like this. Set here the flag. Maybe need to set like this here for this UI false. Temporary set here the image now. Like here's image true. Second one is the false. Color is true. Vice versa. So we need to configure here and true, and set here the name. New collection. And after here the summer cell, like here. Then after mains, models, and last one is black. Like here, we need to showing like this here the grids data we need to show here. Maybe this grid. Set here the image. Copy relative path. Maybe image flex is not matters here. Set here the true. Already you need to export here the white image. Set here the 2, 3, and 4. Like here's patterns making here's maybe code charts. Copy these patterns maybe different here's like here's and last ones look like this showing here this grids data because we need to check here this image like here the big here similar to here's big here's not big small similar to this designs need to change this here's again remove here this part show here's now this is are the applying here's integrated and set this here's now need to set here the counts of these grids items counts Maybe need to change this delegate. GridView. Need to use here the builder. Grid delegates. Replace with here's. Need to check here the property. Set here the child counts. Need to set this here the counts as a. Need to set here the temporary. Need to set this here the for and stop here. Now need to give this here the list. Array dot length. Apply here. So we need to designs and we need to it's here there brackets to return gets here the object list array index of value like here's. Now fix colors need to now set here the color white like here's. Need to configures. Then after set here the child like here's. Set this here the z stacks need to stack child and we need to set here the centers as a line. And to align set here the maybe different we need to set here indexed mode for equal to 0. That's why I need to give this here the alignments bottom right, else need to give this here the alignments as a center. Need to set here equal to 2. Alignment dot center left and here's. If here the third cells means here the always need to set here the center. Like we need to managing this here the alignments for the custom alignments need to configure here. Now need to make here the image assets. Set here the pit box pit cover and we need to give this here the sets as a image we need to pass here to string like here integrated here. Apply here show like this here the image and now we need to remove this here the paddings. Now no needs any showing any paddings. Need to clean here, remove and set here the removing any space. Like so need to configure here and show like this here the UI for the setted here. And now need to set here the text. We need to integrate here the alignments inside. We need to making here managing this here the text fields. Set here the text where text. Give this here the name of this text. Like here's toString. Set here the styles, text styles. Set here the color. Now we need to check here the one flags is colors is true. Is object is color equal to as first we need to set here the false means here the white color. T color dot primary color dot white text. Now we need to set here the font size. We need to configure here for this UI. Use this here the headline font before bold font weight bold 700s W700. Like this need to use this here and make sure need to set here the padding. Apply here 15. That is good. 25. Look like this here the showing for the managing this here the this text are the showing here. This data maybe increase this here 40. Now show display puts here the summer sales like here maybe set here the 15 is good. Look like this here the similar to designs need to make here our UI. We need to set it here done. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.